Come on. Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
What's going on, YouTube? What's happening? So I'm ready to get down with a new fitness influencer, man. I never worked out with her. Her name is Linn Bailey. And so if you're new to this channel, what I do, right, is that I seek out, man, fitness influencers, man. And when I come across their workouts, I download them. I seamlessly loop them. And then I put a timer. And then once I do that, I combine different various exercises that they demonstrate, man. And what I do, man, is that I construct, man, a freaking customized workout, man. And so I came across Linn Bailey and I'm like, all right, man, I'm working out with Linn, man. And so we're doing deltoids, right? A lot of this stuff. We're doing a lot of this stuff. And we're doing a lot of this stuff, man. And so we're gonna freaking kill the deltoids, perhaps chest also, man. And so this workout is only 24 minutes, man. And so I never worked out with you, Donna. It's nice to meet you. I don't know if it's Donna or Dana. But anyway, it's freaking pleasure to meet you. You look freaking amazing. And so I can't wait to freaking work out with you. So come on, Donna. Let's get to it. We're rolling.
Get ready, bitch.
I'm ready.
2, 1, go.
So I think Dawn is sitting down, but I'm standing up for this one because I have to. She's going wide. My job is to keep up with Dana. Dana, goddamn, I don't know your name. I'll call you Dana. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Look at those muscles, Donna. God. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. Come on.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Take the risk, bitch.
Freaking Don is in the house, man. Okay, man. So what's next, baby? Woo! Set this up over here. Oh, we're going again.
Get ready, bitch. 3,
All right.
2, 1, go.
Wait for me, Donna. Oh, I got it. Oh yeah, I slowed it down, man. Forgot. Oh my God. Oh my God. Goes wide. I can't go wide because it's too hard. Oh yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh shit, man.
Take a risk, bitch.
I'm taking a rest, baby. What do we got? 30 seconds? Okay, I forgot to mention at the top, very important, that what I did was that this is a multi-intensity workout, so there's variable speeds. So we're gonna do the workouts like fast and slow, and so that's part of the freaking workout, is to keep up with that type of intensity of going slow and then going fast. And so I forgot to mention that at the top. Okay, man. So we got, what, 30 seconds? Wow, I already feel that, Don. That's freaking cool. All right, man, 15 kg. We're going slow.
Okay, get ready, bitch. 3,
Oh my
2,
God.
1, go.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, Donna. Oh my God, I can't even keep up with her. Okay. Got it. Oh my God, very difficult. Ah. Ah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God.
Okay, take a risk.
Should I drop the weight? I'm not gonna drop the weight. Fuck it. All right, man. So as you can see, man, like, okay, that I freaking, man, there was no way to prepare for that, right? There's no way to prepare for that because I didn't know. I never experienced this, but that's freaking hard to go really slow. A lot of us don't do that, which is really important, man. If you want to freaking like make your workouts dynamic, you face workouts like this, but you do it slow. Then you do it fast, like we're gonna do now.
Okay, get ready, bitch. 3, 2, 1, go.
Kick it. Ah, 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 come on, Dana. Yeah, I'm with you, Dana. I'm rocking it into it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What a freaking burn, man. Oh, Linn Bailey. Wow, what a freaking pump. I should go lighter, but okay. That's too heavy for me, man. Oh my God.
Okay, get ready, bitch. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, let me be smart. Same concept. Really slow. This is better.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, man, I'll hold it here.
Take a risk.
I can hold it here a little bit down now. It was really freaking cool getting that freaking hold. We doing this again? All right.
Okay.
Here we go, baby.
3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa, it popped. Oh my God, the freaking burn is incredible. Ah. I can only go to here. Oh, let me lift my leg. Oh my God. Oh my God, do I have a lighter one, man? Ah. 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 Oh my God.
Okay, take a risk, bitch.
My freaking Deltoids are screaming, man. They're all so freaking pumped up. What do we got here? I need to grab some water. Okay, man. So my Deltoids, Donna, are freaking fried out already, man. Because, you know, I usually don't go heavy like this. That's 15 kg. I go lighter. But I want to go a little bit heavier these days, even if this means I struggle. And this means even if I do freaking lower, like, okay, so I can't bring the band up to here. So I'll bring the band up to here. I'm still activating the Deltoids, you know? And so once I, you know, I got homework after this. I'm going to watch this. Forgot to mention that at the top too, that my homework is to watch my performance against Donna and see how I'm doing, so that when I repeat this exercise or I'll come across this type of exercise with someone else, that I'm a little bit more prepared, because, you know, I've experienced it, you know. Instead, let's see. All right, man. So I got water in me, okay. Again, man. We're freaking killing the Deltoids today. Come on, Dana. Donna, I think your name is Donna. Donna. Oh, look at those freaking Deltoids, Donna. They look freaking awesome. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
4, 3,
I'm out.
2, 1. Okay, take a risk, bitch.
Freaking Deltoids are freaking fried out, Donna. What's next? Am I gonna rest? Okay, man.
Okay,
Yeah.
get ready, bitch. 3, 2, 1, go.
Come on, Dana. I'm with you, Dana. I ain't quitting for nothing, man. I'm getting down with Dana. Come on, baby.
Take a risk, bitch.
Oh, yeah. We're freaking him. Oh, my God. The Deltoids are shot. The Deltoids, look. Woohoo! Look at me, look at Donna. Let me drink some water. That's Donna. So what do you think, man? The intensities, man. This is something that, you know, I'm not working on my own accord. So therefore, I'm not orchestrating anything. So therefore, when it's time to go slow, the intensity, man, to just go slow is so incredible. Like, I couldn't explain. Like, how valuable slow.
Ready, bitch.
I'm not ready, man.
3, 2, 1,
We're going slow now, you see?
bitch.
I'm definitely a bitch, man. Freaking Deltoids are flying out. Okay, man, we got another rest going on over here. Take another freaking sip of water. Okay, man, this is pure Deltoid, baby. This is a pure Deltoid workout with Linn Bailey, man. We freaking getting down, man. She's so freaking awesome, man. And so if you take a look at what's going on, man, multi-variable speeds, bro. We're freaking going really slow and then we're going fast, and it's like, it's really, really cool that way, man. So, yo, sorry for the wind, man, but it's freaking windy time over here, man. And so what else, man? It's freaking getting windier, man. So, let it be, bro. Let it win as long as it freaking doesn't freaking camera. Yeah, no, please. Don't. I don't want to buy another camera. So what's going on, Linn? All right. Heavy sleep. I'm ready.
3, 2, 1,
Yeah. Look at those arms, man. Freaking beautiful, man. Oh my God. This is killing me, man. It's freaking burning. Yeah! Come on, Nana! I'm with you! Come on, baby! I got you!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a risk, bitch.
Yo, baby, yo, baby, yo, baby, oh my God. So my deltoids are fried, like I said, maybe what? My deltoid's been fried since the first 2 minutes freaking working out with Linn Bailey. Donna, man, she's freaking awesome. Let me see. Oh, I can't even do it, man. So this freaking wind, hey, you gotta accept the wind, man. I used to get so angry when it was windy, but what can I say? But you know what? It's more important that I'm freaking killing the delts. I can't even do this. Hey, bro, I can't do this. It freaking hurts. Okay, what we got, baby?
Ready, bitch. 3, 2, 1, go.
She's sitting down. Come on. Trying to keep up with Linn.
5,
Belly, baby. I'm with you.
Take a risk, bitch.
You call me a bitch. Oh, you call me a bitch, baby. So, baby. All right, man. So, how we doing, man? I'm doing okay, but my deltoids are not. My deltoids are freaking. It feels like someone pumped air into them. So, man. Okay, so what we doing in this freaking windy night? Working out with Linn Bailey, man. She's freaking awesome. The way my deltoids feel, I can't explain, man. So what the hell is next? Alright. So what can I say, man? Like I said, you know, this is another workout that's giving me a new wave of dimensions when it comes to working out, which now I'm gonna try to make it my business for the next workouts to do different degrees of speeds. Same like push-ups, man. You do push-ups fast, you get one side, you get that dimension. You do push-ups slow, you're not gonna do it as well as fast. But if you mix them both, you do fast push-ups, slow push-ups, you freaking burn out the chest in a way that you couldn't either way. You know, and so the different speeds is very important. I'm noticing that because I work my deltoids, man, all the time with John Meadows, with Athenex, with Greg Duchette, with Johnny Shrees, we do them. And so I know, I get that feeling of when my deltoids feel like they're gonna burst. That's how they feel, Donna, man. Yo, wow. Okay, we're going again.
3, 2, 1, go.
Come on, Dana. I'm freaking riding it out, baby. Come on, baby. Yeah. I'm working out with Donna. I'm keeping up with Donna, baby. Come on, Linn, baby. Come on. Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Bitch.
Whoa. This 24-minute workout with Donna feels like freaking forever, man. Whoa. So look at me, man. My deltoids feel like they're gonna burst. Wanna try it? Are you over there trying this with me? You know you got free workout, man. You wanna find Diana Linn Bailey? You go to the description. Her information is gonna be there. Her handle is gonna be in the title, so you can check her out. She's freaking an interesting girl to check out because she's so wow. She's a very beautiful sight. Donna is such a beautiful sight. I love to look at her. She's like artwork. She's a piece of freaking artwork, man. Freaking. She's artwork, bro. Donna Linn Bailey. That's what it is, bro. That's why when I looked at her, I was like, it's almost like you go to a museum and you, that's freaking Donna. I can see her at a freaking museum, man. And everyone like this. Because look at her. So, oh my God, it's so beautiful. So we got a minute and a half rest. Let me pour some freaking water into these muscles. Whoa. Okay. Can I do this? Can I do this is the question. Can I do this? Okay.
Get ready, bitch. 3,
Let's
2,
see, baby.
1, go.
I'm going. Slow. 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 Never done this before like this. Oh my God, I'm falling apart, but it feels good.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Come on! Need I say anymore, man? That last workout, I need to take that last workout and speed it up and have that powered out, because now you see what I'm saying? This is off the chain fitness, where this customized workout that I put together, right? I put it together by eye, and then I approach it like this blindly. And so like I would have said that the barbell was too heavy, but now I'm saying no, it's not. Because the barbell is the marination point, man. It's the freaking prime before I freaking go into the other stuff, because the idea for this workout is to smash out the deltoids. So that heavy bit in the beginning, which I thought, you know what, this is too heavy and I couldn't do it, I like to be able to muster through. But in this case, okay that I didn't muster through, because now look at my deltoids are so shot that they're freaking done. And so what I do now is that I already caught on to that, making that last workout like I'm gonna loop it for the next time I face it, so that last one that you just saw pump, I can do that pumped faster, because I did it slow and faster. The idea is to do an exercise now slow, and then right after go faster. So I even may take out the times, because I put little rest times just to give me a little time to, like, say, grab and go, grab the weights. Because a lot of times that's my mistake, where I don't put any freaking enough time for me to just set things up. If I need to make weights lower, I need to grab this and I need to grab that. I'm freaking hustling, bustling. And so I think I kept up really well. There was a point where my resistance band, it fell off. It came out of how I was holding it. I also had to lift my leg, man, which is really cool about resistance bands, man, because I can actually work with resistance bands by stepping in or stepping out or lifting my legs, so that I could decrease the resistance, which is freaking like doing a drop set. I think resistance bands, for me, the way I don't see enough people using them. They're underrated. I would say resistance band is freaking one thing that should always be incorporated, man, because you'll be surprised the damage you could do to your muscle that you want to work. Instead of, thinking within the realm of the other ways without using the resistance band, if I made any sense. And so anyway, I'm incorporating more resistance bands, man, because I am already seeing that factor. And so it's really good that I have a home gym, that I don't have those cables, because the resistance bands, I can compensate and stuff like that, which keeps me creative, which is important as well. And so Donna, man, it's really freaking great to see you, man. When I said you are a work of art, that is a freaking amazing description for you. Not only that there's beauty, but there's almost a sense of like radiation that you freaking radiate. Like you radiate, like you're the type of person that when you walk into a room, you just light it up. And you don't have to say nothing. You just light it up, and people want to just be around you. Even if you cover up, let's say you don't show your muscles, and you walk into you have that dynamic, because you did that to me. Like, wow, man, you created that dynamics of wow. And so Dana, man, I know you are well known, man, but I just came across you when I was freaking searching out in fitness influencers, man, because I work with so many different influencers, man, across the globe, man. And so Donna, man, I would really like to meet you, man. You know what? We have creatine together with a cappuccino. You know what I'm saying? It's like, all right, I'll pour you the creatine, you know, in your water or your drink, or we have it with coconut juice. Then we share that. We cheers the creatine, and then have a nice cappuccino, and then listen to you talk. Oh yeah, this hour to be listen, and that's it, man. So what a wonderful workout with Donna Linn Bailey. I'm sorry if it's Dana. You know how names are. Donna, man, I'm sure we all get tired. People call me freaking all kinds of names. Anyway, so what else can I say, man? My deltoids, the main thing I need to report, there's a combination of deltoid and chest activation and also here. What happens is that when my deltoids can't handle it, my wrists, my forearms, they take over, they compensate because like, I can feel it like I was freaking burning out, man. So anyway, Donna, man, this concludes my freaking workout with Donna Linn Bailey. Donna, you're freaking awesome, man. All the best to you, man. I hope everything is well with you, your family, your husband, and all that stuff. Whatever, man, whatever you have in your surroundings, man. Man, they're freaking so freaking blessed to have you around them, man. So anyway, this closes, man, my freaking workout for today. And until the next one, I am done.